Welcome guys to a new video. Today we are playing Monkey Soccer. Okay guys, let's get to the video now. I'm a righty, so I'm going to be right winger. Okay, looks like game hasn't started yet. Okay, I think it's gonna start. Why can't I get the flipping ball? Stupid teammate took the ball. Yes. Come on, dribble more than I meant when you get close. Why would you shoot that far? Where's the ball at? Okay, guys, we can get the ball back. That was a good pass. Don't worry, guys, we back.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
That was such a banger. I mean, look at that. What are they supposed to do about that? Even the goalie couldn't save that. And in this game, you can save something from 5 feet away. Okay, the round is starting. I hate these vines, they make us slow down. Come on, man, get the ball. Let's go. Another banger, guys. Look at this. As soon as I get the ball, boom! Now we have an insane lead. Okay, let's try to get a third one. Such a good tackle. Bro, my goofy goalie finally got his chance to shine and he messed it up. This is bad, guys. To be honest, that goal was good though. At least I start with ball and I can get another one if teammate doesn't sell. If he makes it, I'm going to be so surprised. Oh my God, a useful teammate, guys. This was also a banger. Okay, let's just finish this game now. Goalie, you better not sell. Guys, we can't let them do a comeback. What is brother doing? Just leave so we can get an actual goalie. Okay, teammates, we have to lock in. Okay, bro, stop letting them score. Goalie, you got no saves. The shooter is so no skill getting close to score. Hey, at least goalie tried this time. Okay, if we don't win, I suck more than my randoms in every team game. Hey, as soon as I say that too, we get a goal. Oh yeah, first to 5 wins, by the way, so we only need 1 more goal. Commander, row do that again. Shoot. Let's go, W teammate. We won, guys. This was the final goal, guys. You guys should play this game. It's really fun. Us right now. Me and Commander carried. Man, they always take center, so I guess I have to be right winger again. Last game today. Okay, let's try to win this, guys. Us again. Them too. Okay, let's lock in, guys. Come on, goalie, please save it.
No!
Come on, guys. I wish they made a team chat in this game. It will be so helpful to make plays. Brew. Guys, we might be cooked here. Teammate, you got me if you need it. Oh man, hurry, get the ball back. Good tackle there. I hate how they climb that. I don't know how to climb it. Hurry, get the ball. How did they get that if they were behind me? Like, do they have reach hacks? No! We practically lost already. Like, stop climbing that it's so no skill. Goalie could have saved that. Dribble for a sec, then pass. Okay, shoot. Oh man, but good shot. Let me have the ball, teammate.
Huh?
Please go in. I still don't understand how they reach so far, even though they're farther than me. Let's go. Please, I need this.
No!
Okay, as long as they don't become Luffy, I should have the ball. They did, but I got it back. Brew. Okay, we good. Their goalie is so good compared to ours. Never mind, he sent it to nowhere. Bro, I swear. Bro, they just went through both of us. Now he just broke it more. Okay, we got ball back.
Pass.
Where's ball at? Bro, their goalie. Let's go, but we lost. Look at this. Let's flipping go. Yeah, we lost, guys. Okay, that was the video, and this is the end. Please sub, I only have one.